let's understand, before you get into the original idea, at any core of idea, there are two things. Either that idea fulfills a need of the customer, of a person, or there's a problem. Let's go one by one. Need. Need is something latent. ये सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में कई कस्टमर के दिमाग में होता है. यू डू नॉट नो, पीपल डू नॉट नो, they have certain need. Okay, now you as an entrepreneur have to identify that need. Okay, सबकॉन्शियस में से निकालना होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैं एक कई साल पहले जब इनफैक्ट जब मैं कॉलेज में था तभी एक आर्टिकल पढ़ा था. ओके, कि कार रेडियो, गाड़ी चलाते चलाते आप कार में फ़ोन बात कर सकते हो, कार फ़ोन. ओके, सो आप फ़ोन ऐसे कुछ फ़ोन निकलेंगे जो हम कार में बैठे बैठे बात कर सकते हैं. ओके, और तो उस आर्टिकल का जो लास्ट में जो एक सारांश था, तो उसका सारांश कुछ नेगेटिव था कि क्यों इसकी ज़रूर क्या पड़ी है अपने को. वाई वुड समबडी वांट टू मेक अ कॉल सिटिंग व्हाइल ही इज ड्राइविंग एंड सिटिंग इन अ कार. ओके, कैन यू इमेजिन अ लाइफ विदाउट अ मोबाइल फ़ोन टुडे? Okay, the need was existing even then. People were not aware. It was somewhere in latent. Need always exists. Need cannot be created. Okay, it's a simple rule. Need कभी create नहीं होती. Need always होती है. आपको उस need को पहचानना है जो अंदर दबी हुई है. और एज ए गुड एंटरप्रेन्योर, अगर आप कोई एक नीड को अपने पहचान दिया कि अगले कुछ सालों में ये नीड होने वाली है कस्टमर की, और उसको आपने अपना बिजनेस बना दिया, इट कुड बी अ गुड बिजनेस आइडिया. any that need should be, क्योंकि आप you have to have that vision कि अगले 5 साल में क्या होने वाला है. Okay, that kind of vision you should have. People who invented mobile phone, they realized that need कि people would need to make a call while they are somewhere out, while they are walking, right? And then that's why they made this. So need always exists. You have to identify that need. Or the other thing is, there are problems in a life, there are challenges in a life, there are adversities in a life, and you have a solution to that problems or those challenges or those adversities, and that solution becomes a business idea for you, right? So need जो होती है वो latent होती है. latent बोले तो दबी हुई होती है. it is subconscious, it is not spelt. कभी कोई कस्टमर ये नहीं बोलेगा मुझे ऐसा कुछ चाहिए. ओके, बिकॉज वो दबी, उसको मालूम, उसको खुद को नहीं मालूम कस्टमर को ये नीड है मेरी. When I'm traveling from here to Churchgate and if my driver is not there and if I have to travel myself and if I have to drive myself, then my first thing that comes to my mind is parking मिलेगी कि नहीं मिलेगी. That's a need somewhere. Now somebody has to identify that need, and ये सबका problem है. All of you agree? Yeah, that need exists for everybody, but we don't think of that as a business opportunity. Can you think of as a business opportunity? Parking space, not Ola. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, कंप्लेन करते हैं, अरे बॉम्बे में पार्किंग का बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. दिस इज वन नीड. वी नेवर थिंक एज अ बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी. हैव यू एवर थॉट के बॉस इसमें से धंधा कैसे किया जा सकता है, राइट? सो पार्किंग, फाइंडिंग अ सॉल्यूशन फॉर पार्किंग इज अ आइडिया. बिजनेस उसका कैसे वैले पार्किंग करोगे या और कुछ करोगे, इज अ बिजनेस मॉडलिंग, राइट? तो वो हम सीखेंगे. ओके, एंड बाय वो सीखने के बाद आप खुद बोलोगे बॉस ये आइडिया कर सकते हैं हम. द सेम बिजनेस यू विल फाइंड 4 डिफरेंट वेज टू डू इट. डिफरेंट पीपल विल थिंक डिफरेंट वे, राइट? नीड इज लेटेंट, अनस्पेल्ड. आई एम रिपीटिंग अगेन. दबा हुआ होता है. इट्स यू एज अ एंटरप्रेन्योर, इट्स योर एक्यूमेन. आपकी जो एक आपकी ये खासियत होनी चाहिए कि आप उस नीड को पहचानो और उस पर से अपना बिजनेस का आइडिया बनाओ. One is you have a need, so you have to, your ideas is about fulfilling a need which is latent, which is in the subconscious mind of a customer. The customer needs something, you have to identify that need. That's your acumen. आपकी वो खासियत होनी चाहिए. It's your skill sets to identify that as a customer, as a entrepreneur. So the need जो customer को होती है, once the customer जो need है, that should get convert into a want. Customer should say I want this. तब जाके आपका बिजनेस होगा, right? So need has to convert into a want. Ideas are also a solution to problems. Let me give you an example. In one of my earlier companies, we had engaged a security company to provide us with couple of security guards. तो एक बार मैं अपने ऑफिस के बाहर निकला तो गार्ड आके मेरे को बोलता है सर, और हाथ में उसका एक चेक था, मेरे को चेक दिखा दिया। तो कुछ देखा मैंने, 3000 रुपये का कुछ चेक था उसका, और बोला ये तो आपका पगार है। तो बोला हाँ बाबूजी ये मेरा पगार है, मुझे ये पैसे गांव भेजने हैं, बीवी बच्चे को दे रहे हैं। तो बोला हाँ डाल दो बैंक में। सहजता से मैंने बोल दी, जैसे एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट। ये सर हाँ लेकिन बाबूजी मेरा तो कोई बैंक अकाउंट ही नहीं है। तो बोला अच्छा तो बैंक अकाउंट खोल दो। तो मेरे को बोला वो सर कुछ कागज़ वागज लगते हो उसके लिए, वो सबका डॉक्यूमेंट, मैं तो अभी भी गया उससे आया हूँ, मेरा कोई ऐसा कोई कागज़ नहीं है। तो मैं कहा ठीक है अकाउंट खोल देंगे आपका, आप मेरे HR से बात कर लेना, तो आपको जो भी कर प्रोसीजर होगी वो करके आपको अकाउंट खोल के देंगे। बता रहा है कि भाई हाँ बाबूजी चलो अकाउंट भी आप खोल के देंगे, लेकिन फिर भी मेरे को मेरे पैसे नहीं मिलेंगे। तो बोला क्यों, ये बंदा कोई छानबीन करके आया था तब जाकर, और ये ऑलरेडी उसको पगार मिलके को डेट से मालूम पड़ा था कोई एक हो चुका है उसको। तो मेरा क्यों, तो नहीं वो बाबूजी बैंक में तो चेकबुक देते हैं 10 रुपये डालने के बाद। तो हाँ सही बात है, अगर आप 10 रुपये जमा कराओ उसके बाद आपको चेकबुक मिलती है ना, तो आपको चेकबुक नहीं मिलती। तो हाउ कैन विड्रॉ कैश, और कैश विड्रॉ नहीं करेगा तो ही कैन नॉट डू मनी ऑर्डर। ओके, तो कहने का मतलब है ही हैड सम प्रॉब्लम। ओके, एंड देयर वाज नो सॉल्यूशन टू, एटलीस्ट देयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी विच आई कैन टेल यू कि हाँ ये कर ले तू। ओके, एंड द एग्नी ऑन हिज फेस, उसके चेहरे पे जो तभी जो फ्रस्ट्रेशन था, एक जो दुख था कि उसके हाथ में उसकी पगार पड़ी है, वो भी सिर्फ 3000 रुपये की। ओके, और वो 3000 रुपये उसको या जो भी उसके में से जो पैसे उसको अपने बीवी बच्चों को गाँव भेजने हैं, और ये बंदा 1 महीने से अटका हुआ है, पैसे नहीं भेज पाता। एंड दिस जोल्टेड मी, इट मेड मी थिंक। ओके, फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 2-3 days आई थॉट कितने सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स ऐसे इस मुंबई शहर में, कितने लेबर है जो दूसरे स्टेट से आते हैं यहाँ पर और अपना गुजारा या लाइवलीहुड के सर्च में और यहाँ अपना गुजारा कर रहे हैं, और इनको सबको यही तो इनका हालत होती होगी कि इनको पगार मिलती होगी चेक से छोटी, क्योंकि जनरली सब कंपनी का रूल होता है सब कुछ चेक से देना। इन लोग कैश कैसे ट्रांसफर करते रहेंगे जब उनका बैंक अकाउंट नहीं खुलता। एंड इन इंडिया only 39% in those days, I'm talking about 39% people had a bank account. 61% of people are unbanked population. That means they didn't have a bank account. Things changed a little after this current government came up with this Jan Dhan Yojana, and they opened some 7 crore accounts, or whatever the figure is that now, I do not know, but 7 crore accounts they opened, which is the last I know, and that was their figure must have changed a little, but sorry, 21 crores. 21 crores, which is good. Okay, so 21 crore at least they have, that's a sizable number I would say. Okay, otherwise most of the people in this country had no bank account. उनकी क्या हालत होगी, how would they transfer money, और उनको चेक मिलता है। Okay, so I did some Google search and I realized that 30% of the Indians are migrants. 30% Indians, they stay away from their home in some other place in a search of the livelihood. 30%, which is not a small number, it's big. And even if that out of that 30%, even if 5% are white collar jobs, which means they are in a better salary, better job, but most of the people are labor class people. They are at bottom of the pyramid. They are the low income group people. Okay, and the challenges they have to face, and they don't have a bank account. And how would they be transferring money? So I just worked out some back of the envelope calculation जो हम बोलते हैं किया मैंने, and I realized that even if these people, if I am saying 25%, 100 करोड़ की अगर बस्ती है इंडिया की, just considering that 100 crore just to make the calculation easy, और उसमें अगर 25% लोग जो लो इनकम ग्रुप माइग्रेंट हैं, okay, they need to transfer money, or even if they average they have to transfer 1000 rupees a month, then 25 crores into 1000, okay, into 12 months, that's the size of that business opportunity which was there existing. Okay, so I talked to some of my banker friends, okay, and in subsequently in my next company where I was working, we introduced some concept called domestic remittance, and today that company is doing something like 6,000 crore rupees of transfers every year, okay, through mom and pop stores. You see these lot of mom and pop stores, money transfer का board लगा होता है, okay, you don't have to go to bank. You can just go to that, anybody can just, taxi driver can just go to that store, okay, जहाँ ये money transfer का board लगा है, and they can transfer money in other part of the country. Okay, remittance within the country was huge. It's very huge business. It's in fact almost as big as international remittance that we get in the country. Okay, and that one company is doing 6,000 crores. There are a lot of other companies which have come up now. Somebody's problem became a business opportunity for me. Somebody's adversity that guy was facing, okay, of transferring money to his family back home became a business opportunity. So at many times you come across these challenges in life, these problems in life, these adversities in life, and we ignore, but actually for every entrepreneur, those challenges are nothing but an opportunity. You have to find a solution for it. In any idea, at the core of the idea is there are two things. Either it's a need which is getting fulfilled, or it's a solution to some problem. Okay, in fact, it's a two sides of the same coin. Either it's a need which you are fulfilling, or it's a problem solution to a problem. Now, when we talk about solution to a problem, generally the want exists. क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम है इसलिए उसका सोल्यूशन कोई ना कोई ढूंढते रहता है. वो कस्टमर को नीड मालूम ही नहीं होती कि नीड है मेरी. ओके, लेकिन वांट जनरली, क्योंकि इट्स अ सॉल्यूशन ऑफ प्रॉब्लम, तो प्रॉब्लम हो तो वांट होता ही है, खाली आपको उसको उसका सॉल्यूशन निकालना होता है. नाउ दिस इज समथिंग इंपॉर्टेंट. टुडे व्हाट आई वांट टू डू विथ यू गाइस इज आई वांट टू प्लांट some seeds in your mind so that it helps you to think and get some new ideas. Okay, of course at the core is still you are solving a problem or you are fulfilling some need, but still, however, by this some of the tips which I have worked out for you guys, practical tips, and which will help you to get or inspiration, or you will be inspired to think on those direction and get a new idea. One is, in a life many times we say I wish. कई बार ऐसा होता है ना, I wish there were a parking space available. I wish there was a healthy cigarette. I wish there could be a healthy pizza. पिज़्ज़ा खाने का मूड है, लेकिन आई एम ऑल्सो वेट कॉन्शियस एंड यू फील यार काश ऐसे होता. अपने लाइफ में कई बार होता है ना, काश ये करता होता. दैट आई विश you have to make it as I will. That's a business idea. You are actually narrating a business idea to yourself. Okay, let me give you one example. At times when I go to my office, and I of course at the way you see me, I am a quite weight conscious now. Okay, I know that I cannot be overweight beyond some point. So at the same time we all are lazy guys as a human being. So I want somebody to remind me constantly that you are overweight, so that it keeps on hammering in me. Okay, so whenever I sit on my chair, okay, I sit on my chair, and on the armrest, moment I sit, if it tells me my weight, every time I sit, it tells me you're overweight. It keeps on reminding me bloody whole day, boss, you need to watch your weight. I wish there was something like that, right? Good business idea, right? And it's so simple. What you need to do is just put some weight sensor in your chair, okay, and it can load sensor it is called, okay, and the moment you do that, I mean, just imagine if some furniture manufacturer thinks of this and it comes up with a chair which is a simple low cost solution. Okay, when you sit on the chair and immediately use your weight on your armrest, okay, or if it's little overweight, you program it, and if it's overweight, then it even starts throwing little alarm or whatever, or in different color, red color or whatever, that LCD screen. Okay, what a product, isn't it? Yes. Right? I'll give you 5 minutes, all of you guys. Can you think something like, I wish, काश ऐसे कुछ होता? Anybody, come on.
I wish we should create roads, whatever is going on from that road or on the road, it should create power.
Lovely.
Wishes could invent something such fibers.
Okay.
Would inhibit the absorption of selective fats.
I like that. Superb. Yeah.
I wish if I'm stuck up in a traffic jam, so the car can be converted into a helicopter and it.
Absolutely, yeah. So, commuting is a big problem, yeah. Lovely. So, all in all, the first point is you have to convert I wish into I will, and that becomes a business opportunity. Now, second option, the second method to get an idea is what I call as divide and conquer. Now, What is that? Walk into any store, pick up a product in your hand and ask yourself, can I set up a store of this size, whatever size of store you got into, of this size, only of the category of this product? For example, लेट्स से आप एक जीन्स खरीदने गए हो, तो आप कोई स्टोर में गए हो, कपड़े की दुकान में गए हो और डेनिम सेक्शन में चले गए आप, जहाँ जीन्स होती है, एंड आस्क योरसेल्फ, कैन आई सेट अप अ स्टोर ओनली ऑफ डेनिम प्रोडक्ट्स? ओके, एंड लेट्स इफ द आंसर कम्स टू योर माइंड, यू थिंक डेनिम, ओनली डेनिम, नथिंग एल्स, आप और कुछ नहीं बेचने वाले हो, आप सिर्फ डेनिम बेचोगे. डेनिम के ऑफ कोर्स ट्राउजर्स तो होते ही है, डेनिम जीन्स, एंड देन डेनिम शर्ट्स, यस व्हाई नॉट, डेनिम जैकेट, यस व्हाई नॉट, डेनिम कैप, या व्हाई नॉट, डेनिम शूज, यस व्हाई नॉट, डेनिम बैग्स, व्हाई नॉट, डेनिम ग्लव्स, व्हाई नॉट. Okay, so many products of denim. Watch. So straps of the watch, yeah. So why not only a store of denim? If the answer comes yes to you, go ahead, set up a store, and you have a winning idea with you. What you have done is, you have created a new category which was never existing earlier, and you have got an opportunity to become a leader in that category. Okay, you only one thing, you have to talk in depth, you have to go deep. Okay, so while other companies, they are going wide, in the sense they are going keep on adding category, you go deep in one category and you are bound to succeed. Why? Because gradually people will see you as a specialist of that category, and the world always wants to deal with specialists. You as a customer wants to deal with specialists. Have you ever come across, आपको कोई अगर लॉयर चाहिए, अपने दोस्त को फोन किया, अरे कोई फालतू लॉयर है क्या? नहीं ना, व्हाट यू से, कोई अच्छा लॉयर है क्या? दैट्स व्हाट यू वांट स्पेशलिस्ट. विद इन दैट, अगर आपको मान लो प्रॉपर्टी का कोई केस है, तो कोई प्रॉपर्टी का लॉयर है क्या? डू यू अग्री? विद इन प्रॉपर्टी, इफ अगर आपका प्लॉट रिलेटेड कुछ प्रॉब्लम है या फ्लैट रिलेटेड है, कोई प्लॉट रिलेटेड जानकारी वाला कोई लॉयर है क्या? फर्दर डिवीजन. सो गॉट इट? You, everybody wants a specialist as a customer. Why not give it to them? And this happens in every business, whether it's a service or it's a product. People want specialists. The narrower you segment it, the narrower you make a focus, you are bound to succeed. It will take some time, but I assure you, you are bound to succeed. In my school days, whenever I had to buy a footwear, वेदर इट वॉज बारिश के सीज़न में, जब स्कूल चालू होती है जून में, ओके, और सबसे पहले बारिश के जूते लगते हैं, ओके, फुटवेयर लगता है, फिर आपके फॉर्मल शूज़ होते हैं जो काले कलर के जूते स्कूल में जो चलते हैं, फिर तुमको स्पोर्ट्स के लिए जूते लगते थे, तुमको कैजुअल में जो जूते लगते हैं या चप्पल लगती है जो भी है उस ज़माने में, माई पेरेंट्स वुड टेक मी टू ओनली वन स्टोर, बाटा. डू यू ऑल अग्री? राइट? टुडे आस्क योर सन, बाटा पे लेके जाता, देखो स्पोर्ट्स शूज खरीदने, बोलेगा बाप छोड़, नाइकी है. डू यू अग्री? Why? Because in his mind and your mind also now, Nike has become a specialist of sports shoes. Some other company decides that I would become a specialist of a female footwear, and that brand becomes Catwalk. Do you agree? And somebody else will come and say, I am a specialist of casual footwear, somebody like Crocs, and they become a market leader for casual footwear. Nissan, what's your opinion on this?
We've seen this evolution of retail where people go into becoming category killers, and they become deep into a category, like you have, you sell perfumes and only perfumes, and you call Sephora and you sell hundreds of millions of them. And then you have these broad categories like Home Depot that says, we're going to take everything in your home and give you a big box store that you can buy everything from a bed sheet to a table lamp to a chandelier to paint, right? So I don't think there's a trend of retail one way or another that's going to kill this or make that happen. what really makes a difference is, are you able to create a product, a service, a retail concept that a customer goes, aha, why didn't somebody think of this before? And that's the magic to retail, right? It's not about always having a category killer or something that you're saying, we're only going to sell this or only going to sell that. You know, you used an example of, let's say, shopping at Bata many years ago. You know, that experience has not totally gone away. Today, there are brands that still do that. What has happened, though, is there's a lot of brands that have come up with technology. Innovation has grown so much that technology is able to create advantages and differentiators. And some brands have said, you know, I'll focus in on the athletic segment. Some brands have said, I'll focus in on the dress segment, and so on and so forth. So, you know, I don't think it's because we as customers want different shoppings. It's because technology and brands have invested in coming up with, you know, their USPs that make it meaningful for me to say, I'll invest in that company's USP for comfort, in that company's USP for technology, and so on and so forth when it comes to footwear.
Nishan, thank you so much. You have to stick to one thing, one segment. You will succeed because people see you as a leader of that category. People see you as a specialist of that category. Divide and rule. Go to online business, see all the categories which you come across, okay. Pick up one category, say, boss, can I set up an online business only of this category? And you have found a niche for yourself, if the answer comes yes to you. Condition one, you have to stock in depth. I mean, you have to go deep. Because world loves people who are specialists. Division of category. And ये सालों से होता आ रहा है. हर एक business में होता आ रहा है. Okay. You do not know, but early, I mean, if you see historically, today your brands such as got established, they are nothing but division of categories. Earlier we had Naukri.com for jobs. Online business की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. Naukri.com सब लोगों ने सुना हुआ है, right? Naukri.com. Okay. Then comes IamJobs.com and says, boss, I am specialist only of mid-management people. Now nobody goes to Naukri.com. If today when I had to hire mid-management, people with a salary scale of 5 lakhs and above, then I don't go to Naukri.com, okay, then I'll go to IamJobs.com. And if there are senior management, if I have to hire, I want to hire VPs and those kind of people, then I'll go to head honchos because they are only doing senior management. Can you think of category? So when so like clothing, I was discussing about plus size. Actually what I did in my mind was I divided a category. A store is providing for everybody. I said, why not separately for me? Because I as a customer want a plus size store. And I see a range. Because plus size people, they also need shorts, they need to wear trousers, they need to wear shirts, t-shirts, jackets, plus size, and which is going to look good on them. And you know what? If you pick up that category, gradually you will actually become an expert of that category. Because that because your focus is only on that category, your knowledge that you gain in that category, you will become automatically you will become expert. Because दिन रात फिर आप उसी category बारे में सोचते हो. Fashion कैसे अच्छा लगेगा? अगर मोटे लोग हैं तो उनके पर लाइनिंग अच्छी नहीं लगेगी, शायद चेक्स अच्छा लगेगा या प्लेन ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा क्योंकि लाइनिंग में कव आ जाता है, वे दिखता है बाहर. This is all science which will develop on your own if you become that leader of that category. Nobody will teach you. You will automatically start learning. It's a part of that business which teaches you. Why? Because you have picked up that one category. And people see you as an expert in that category. And you live that life as an expert. You live that life as a leader of that category. Because people are seeing you as a leader. Clear? Yeah. At times, you lose out on some business. Let's say, for example, plus stores, like you are into clothing. You say, I want to become a leader only, or I want to establish a brand in that plus size because that brand is vacant. Today, there's no established leader in that particular space. You have superb opportunity. Okay, in normal clothing, there are already big brands established. People like Van Heusen and more established people like Versace and all those things, Tom Hilfiger and okay. But in a plus size, there is no brand world over. कि ये brand plus size में माहिर है. It's an open category. Why not? Okay. You may lose out on other businesses. It's a fact. But gradually, in some point of time, your brand value is going to be so big that nobody will be able to come closer to you. And again, somewhere down the line, some entrepreneur is going to divide it further. होने वाला division. Somebody will say, I'll become plus size female, plus size male. Possible है. Today, marketplaces, Amazon, Flipkart, Paytm, expanding horizontally. They are adding categories, more and more categories. Is it possible for you to think and say, oh, let me see these categories. Can I pick up one category? Let's say electronics, for example. Can I set up a marketplace only of electronics? And think, if you start thinking, you'll realize so much you can do more than what these guys are doing as a marketplace only of electronics. For example, you can start providing manuals. आप कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कोई भी चीज़ ले लो, उसकी मैनुअल आपको मेरे उस पे वेबसाइट पे ऑनलाइन मिल जाएगी आपको. You don't have to go anywhere else. Videos, troubleshooting videos. It makes you think that way. And once you establish that category, what is going to happen is, somewhere down the line, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, our own students from Advantage, perhaps will say, okay, अरे सिखाया ये, electronics को further divide करो, category करो उसको. I'll set up a marketplace only for cameras, all kind of cameras, lenses, bags of cameras, possible, right? Historically, that's how businesses have and brands have established, and this is something which you also have to, and that's what Americans have done all these years. That's exactly how America has built their businesses all these years, and it's now time we do the same thing. Let me give you something more, Gyan. SUN sun, जो सूरज होता है, every second it sends billions of tons of energy to this earth. Agreed? Yeah, every second billions of tons of energy comes to this earth, and yet you can go out in a sun, open in the air, okay, and there is no damage to you, right? Does it do any damage to you? No. ज़्यादा में ज़्यादा आप काले पड़ जाओगे शायद थोड़ा. And वो भी अगर आपको नहीं करना, you can apply skin lotion to yourself. You can carry an umbrella, wear a sun hat, water. You can protect yourself against that sun rays. Compared to sun, a laser is a very weak source of energy. It's just few watts. Sun के मुकाबले एक laser is just few watts, but focused narrowly at one point, and it can blast a diamond. A sun cannot do that. When they spoke about, I do this and this and this and this and this, you are not going to succeed. लिख के रख लो. I am sorry to disappoint you. I am being ruthlessly honest, but it does not work that way. No businesses succeed. You are not a big empire conglomerate that you start building so many businesses at this stage. You have to focus narrowly on one thing, only one thing, and that will take some time, but trust me, believe me, that is going to be more effective, otherwise you are becoming a sun ineffective. And many entrepreneurs do that. They make this mistake. Sir, मैं है ना HR कंसल्टेंट हूँ और मैं डिजिटल मार्केटिंग करता हूँ और मैं वेबसाइट ही बना के देता हूँ और साथ साथ में कंसल्टिंग करता हूँ, मार्केटिंग का कुछ काम हो तो बोलना मेरे को. भाई करता क्या है तो हुआ यू. Honestly, do I need that? Because we all want specialists. You तो एक बोलता क्या कर रहा है, and you specialize in that. Don't ever try to do too many things in one go. You cannot be everything to everybody. People don't want you. The world doesn't want you. We as a customer want specialists. Then why you don't understand that? McDonald's tomorrow, McDonald's has got a very big brand in this world. Almost बच्चा McDonald's को जानता है, right? अगर McDonald's बोलता है, boss, I am so popular amongst everybody. My burgers are famous. My brand is famous. Now, you know what? Let me introduce pizzas. Honestly, tell me, would you go to McDonald's to eat pizzas?
No.
No? Why? I don't know. Everybody else who agrees or disagree? Anybody agrees? Can I'll go to McDonald's for pizza? Sorry? You would try. When I say pizzas, would McDonald's come to your mind? No. Forget. आपका brand ही कहाँ बना तो फिर pizza में. When it comes to pizza, again pizza में is a division. If you want a delivery at home, what comes to your mind? Everybody in one's world. If you have to dine out, I mean, if you have to go and eat there, Pizza Hut, establish in your mind, right? That's there in your mind. Bad guy, that is called positioning. Okay, I'll go to cover in detail later on. What was you don't try to be everything to everybody, and that's why McDonald's is just selling burgers. They would not ever leave their product. Coca-Cola, what is Coke doing? Selling beverages. Brand hai. They could come in footwear, they could come in clothing, they can come in a lot of other things. No. So, and there are many such examples, many examples. People who try to do too many things, they didn't succeed. People, they didn't take a leadership position. अगर आपको leadership की position लेनी है, brand build करना है, value create करना है, तो you have to stick to one thing. And because you stick to one thing, you gradually start becoming expert. Because दिन रात आप उसी बारे में सोचते हो. It becomes that laser. You can blast a diamond.
So Jayant, how do you find key differentiator?
I think the key differentiator is going to be execution. So whether I'm selling dresses for girls in the age group 17 to 23, or whether I'm selling shoes for men who go to office in cars, whatever it is that I'm doing, be very focused. Don't try to do everything. Doesn't make sense. Be very focused. Concentrate on your execution. Deliver great quality, great products, good price, doesn't have to be great price, with excellent customer service. You do that, you've got it made.
Right? So henceforth, you're not going to do too many things. Like every entrepreneur does. People make mistakes. People, entrepreneurship की यही होते हैं. Because entrepreneurs का ऐसा generally चंचल होता है वो. कहीं भी थोड़ी opportunity दिखे, अरे ये अच्छा है. Okay, ये कर रहे हैं, अरे ये अच्छी opportunity है. And then they end up trying to do too many things. Never ever do that. Divide and conquer. Okay, pick up a category which you feel you can go deep in that category and conquer the world. Be a leader of that world. So divide and conquer, clear? Yes. Online business may pick up a category, divide it further, and then introduce a business. Coming back to, we were talking about ideation. Okay, how to get an idea. One second step of getting an idea. I just want to plant this seed in your mind. जरूरी नहीं कि अभी का भी आपको आइडिया शुरू हो जाएंगे. But I know it has worked wonders with all our past students, and it's going to do with you also. Today, I have only planted these seeds in your mind, and this seed is going to grow now from here on. Now, when you go out in the life, no, when you walk out and when you start facing other things, and you'll start relating, and then you'll start getting ideas. Okay. Now it will start germinating from here. Clear?
Beautiful. Yes.